Are you looking for the best exercise trampoline? In this video we will look at some of the 2 best exercise trampoline on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best bounce for the buck. The Serene Life 40 portable foldable trampoline stands out as a cheerful, fun piece of exercise equipment at a great price. Beyond that, we think this is a great product for fitness classes so long as you're a smaller jumper. The maximum quoted weight is 200 pounds, however, the bounce already felt strained for our testers weighing around 120 pounds. It was possible to hit the ground while jumping. Still, we love that this trampoline is silent, light, and comes with a portable carrying case. The Serene Life Portable 40 trampoline is also a versatile product. It performs well for fitness classes, and it appears safe and fun for children. The support handle is slightly wobbly, but it is adjustable to different heights and is very comfortable. If you are a smaller person wanting a storable and transportable product to help you enter into the trampoline world without too much of an investment, this product is a good choice for you. Max jumper weight, 200 pounds bounce type, elastic straps. Number 2. Middle of the line bounce. The BCAN 40 foldable mini trampoline rides the line between providing a professional fitness workout and a leisurely bouncing activity for adults or children. If you're a young, amateur, or hesitant user, the supportive foam handle allows for extra balance and safety. The main negative of the BCAN 40 foldable mini is squeaking springs. The protective pad is durable, and the bounce is more comfortable than on the 38-inch BCAN trampoline. This product might spark the interest of an amateur or aspiring trampoliner. Although it is not as large or comfortable as professional competitors, this product is easily stored and great in areas with limited space. Max jumper weight, 330 pounds bounce type, springs.